Hello friends, in this video we are discussing sterilization, culture media and pure culture technique, MCQ and microbiology. In this video we are discussing 50 MCQ. First 50 MCQ of this chapter we have already discussed in a video. That link is provided in description. You can subscribe our channel for more video updates. This is a quick revision video, so we discuss only answers. Question number 51 is the bacterial culture prepared by pure culture is. The bacterial culture prepared by pure culture is inoculum. Option A is right, inoculum. Next question is separation of a single colony is isolation. Option B is right, isolation. Next question is growth period of culture is incubation. Option B is right, incubation. Next question is at the temperature 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour complete sterilization occurs in hot air oven. Option B is right here, hot air oven. Next question is in autoclave the principle involved is most heat and steam under pressure. Option D is right, both B and C. 56 question is the spores of bacteria and which can withstand the most heat effect also. The spores of the bacteria which can withstand the most heat effect also Bacillus stereothermophilus. Option C is right, Bacillus stereothermophilus. Next question is factor on which disinfectivity of a disinfectant depends. Factor on which disinfectivity of a disinfectant depends. Concentration of the substance, time of action, pH of the medium and temperature suitable for the chemical. Option D is right, all of the above. Option D is right. 58 question is aldehydes which are most powerful disinfectants. Aldehydes which are most powerful disinfectant are formaldehyde and glutamyl Option D is right, both A and C, formaldehyde and glutamyl 59 question is acridine dyes are most effective against gram positive. Option A is right, gram positive. Next question is the sterilizing agent is ethylene oxide. Option A is right, ethylene oxide. Next question is salt of heavy metals used as disinfectants are thiomercyl nitrate, phenylmercury, and mercurochrome. Option D is right, all of these. 62 question is cultures are prepared by penetrating the inoculation loop suspension into the medium they are. Cultures are prepared by penetrating the inoculation loop which with suspension into the medium they are stab cultures. Option B is right, stab cultures. Next question is the principle involved in the streak plate method. The principle involved in the streak plate method is dilution. Option B is right, dilution. 64 question is culture media for fungi are potato dextrose agar, seborrhoid agar, Japactox agar. Option D is right, all of these. Option D is right. 65 question is spores of actinomycetes are very sensitive killed at room temperature. Spores of actinomycetes are very sensitive killed at room temperature of 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Option B is right. 66 question is the term that is used for bacteria which can withdraw pasteurization but does not grow at higher temperature. The term used for the bacteria which can withstand pasteurization but does not grow at higher temperature is thermoduric. Option C is right, thermoduric. 67 question is a common laboratory method of cultivating anorganic microorganisms. A common laboratory method of cultivating anorganic microorganisms is pyrogallic acid over the cotton. Option C is right, pyrogallic acid over the cotton. Next question is alkylophiles grow at pH value between 7 to 12. Option D is right. 69 is the microorganisms grow at high salinity are osmophiles and halophiles. Option C is right. Option C is right. A and B both. Next question is non-lactose fermenting colony McConaughey medium are. Non-lactose fermenting colonies seen on McConaughey's medium are Salmonella typhi. Option A is right. Salmonella typhi. 71 is Wilson and Blair medium is used for isolation of. Wilson and Blair medium is used for isolation of Salmonella typhosa. Option B is right. 72 is laboratory diagnosis of entering fever is based on. Laboratory diagnosis of entering fever is based on blood culture, urine and stool culture, Badal test, all of these. Option D is right. All of these. 73 is Shigella was first isolated by. Shigella was first isolated by Shonai. Option C is right, Shonai. 74 is which of the following are gas producing salmonella? Which of the following are gas producing salmonella? Is S. enteritis. Options B is right. Salmonella enteritis. 75 is Kaufman white scheme used to detect. Kaufman white scheme used to detect Salmonella species. Option A is right. McConaughey medium Escherichia coli forms. On McConaughey medium E. coli forms pink colored colonies. Option C is right. Pink colored colonies. Next question is C. diphtheria requires potassium telluride medium. Option C is right. Potassium telluride medium. 78 is culture medium for Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Culture medium for Mycobacterium tuberculosis is Algae medium. Option A is right. Algae medium. 79 is Leprabacillus is best cultured on. Leprabacillus is best cultured on food pad of mice. Option B is right. Food pad of mice. Culture medium for Clostridia species. Option 8. Question number 80 is culture medium for Clostridia species is Robertson cooked meat medium. Option C is right. Robertson cooked meat medium. 81 is Clostridium welchi is positive for Naegler's test. Option B is Naegler's test. 82 is Naegler's reaction detects lactithinase. Option C is right. Lactithinase. Option C is right. 83 is incubation period of C. welchi is 8 to 12 hours. Option A is right. 84 is the average incubation period of tetanus is. The average incubation period of tetanus is 7 to 10 days. Option B is right. 85 is salt agar is used for. Salt agar is used for Staphylococcus. Option B is right. Staphylococcus. Next question is culture medium of Leishmania is. Culture medium of Leishmania is triple N medium. Option B is right. Triple N medium. 87 is a simple asexual spore which develops by budding is known as. A simple asexual spores which develops by budding is known as blastospores. Option B is right. Blastospores. 88 is culture medium used for fungus. Culture medium used for fungus. Nutrient agar. Option B is right. Nutrient agar. Nutrient agar. 89 is for sterilization of fermenting equipment. The method followed is the sterilization of fermentation equipment. The method followed is chemicals. Option B is right. 90 is list below are substances which are assayed by organisms mentioned in A to E. Match them correctly. Crystal violet IP. Crystal violet IP is Lactobacillus aureus. Option D is right. Lactobacillus aureus. 2 is Ampicillin IP. Ampicillin IP is Mycococcus luteus. Option C is right. 3 is plague vaccine. Plague vaccine is Pasteurella pestis. Pasteurella pestis. Rifamycin. 4 is rifamycin is Bacillus. Rifamycin is Lactobacillus aureus. Option E is right. Next question is match the following terms with their respective formulation A to E. Lysol, Lysol solution of creosol with soup. C is right. Black fluid is higher boiling fraction of the tar acid. Option is right. White fluid is prepared from refined tar acids. B is right. Lodophorus. Lodophorus is iodine combined with complex organic chemical. E is right. 92 is match the following test with their respective applications A to E. Stick test. Stick test is diphtheria toxins. C is right. Diphtheria toxins. Monotox test. Mantox test. Sorry. Mantox test is tuberculosis. Option A is right. Tuberculosis. Sterility test. Sterility test is detection of extraneous microorganism. B is right. Potency test. Potency test is useful for immunological products. E is right. 93 is match the following equipment with the respective method of sterilizing A to E. Glass syringe. Glass syringe is dry sheet. Option C is right. Disposable instrument. Disposable instrument is autoclave. Respiratory parts to chickenpox in children. Respiratory to chickenpox in children. Dialysis machines is chemicals. Dialysis machine. 94 is the item listed from A to D can be identified by the test given below. Comb test. Comb test related to non-agglutinating antibodies. Option D is right. Coagulase test. Coagulase test is Candida albicans. Option A is right. Next question is D pneumonia can be cultivated in glucose broth, serum broth, agar and blood broth, chocolate agar. Option E is right. All of these. All of these. 96 is D pneumonia can be identified by microscopic exam, culture of sputum and blood, animal inoculation, all of these, none of these. Option E is right, none of these. 97 is the diagnosis of tuberculosis is carried out by emulator, antiformin method, Petrov method, concentration method. Option E is right, all of these. Next question is the size of the virus can be determined by micrography, ultra centrifugation of at high speed, ultrafiltration, all of these. Option D is all of these. Next question is differential staining of bacteria spores is related to molar staining. So option C is right, molar staining. 100 question is electron microscope study does not help in identifying the section of bacterial spores. Electron microscope study does not help in identify the section of bacterial spores is capsules. Option C is right. Next question is Belson and Blair bismuth sulfide medium is used for the growth. Belson and Blair bismuth sulfide medium is used for the growth Salmonella typhi. Option A is right. 102 is the last question of this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Which rickettsia can be grown on blood agar medium? Which rickettsia can be grown on blood agar medium is lactobacillus. Option A is right. Thank you for watching this video.